Good morning, staff and students. Welcome to the morning announcements. At this time, we ask for everyone to please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you very much. You may be seated, and at this time, please pause for a moment of silence. All right, thank you very much. First of all, welcome back from spring break. I hope you had a wonderful time last week, taking a little break from everything. I know I did, but I'm very excited to get back in today and make these announcements to you and just get started back into work. Just the most important announcement I have for you today is the next phase of our remote learning plan starts today. So you should see an increase in the amount of work that your teachers are providing to you today. We are moving from 90 minutes of work per class per week to 180. So we're basically doubling that. The same format for those will work, though, will stay in place. So Mondays and Wednesdays will drop new materials from your first and second block class, and then Tuesdays and Thursdays will be dropping from your third and fourth block classes. But that amount will be doubled. Instead of a 45-minute session each of those days, it'll be about a 90-minute session. So two 90-minute sessions per week will get you to the 180 minutes a week for each of your classes. So that's not that big a deal. It's still a lot less than what you would normally be getting, but we know that this is very challenging for many of us to find the time to fit this in with all the other things that we have going on in our lives. So still trying to keep it reasonable, but also trying to make sure that you are caught up and up to date and know the things you need to know and that you're not behind when this whole remote learning period is over. That's what the teachers will be focusing only on what we're calling the power standards or the essential standards from now through the end of the year. So you won't be learning everything that you would have learned had you been in the class face to face, but you will be learning the things that the teachers are deeming the most important things. So please make sure that you understand that while this is challenging, it's really, really important that we all do our part and stay up to date. Teachers will be continuing to contact you if you're not working. We are tracking participation in these events or in these activities. So make sure that you understand that even though you may not be receiving straight up grades on them right now, we are tracking who is doing them and who is not. So that's really important. Seniors, getting a lot of questions about caps and gowns. We have them. They're here at school, and we are working on plan to get those distributed. The entire Union County Public Schools is dealing with that same exact situation. All 10 high schools are dealing with that. So bear with us. Thank you for your patience. We want to make sure that we follow all the social distancing rules being put in place by the authorities when we get ready to hand those out at some time in the near future. Don't forget, Tech Thursdays have started. So Thursdays are the day to deal with hotspots, computers, chargers. You need to be putting in a help desk ticket on those items so that we can expect and be prepared for you when you show up on Thursday to switch out or to get a new device or charger or to get a hotspot. So make sure you're using those help desk tickets. All that information is on our social media. So make sure if you don't know what a student help desk ticket is, that you go to our social media and you should be able to find it there. Communication is so crucial during this time. We still have some students that we've not been able to get a hold of. Check on a friend. Make sure everybody knows what's going on. We want everybody participating in these activities. Even though it's so much different, it's really important that we keep you engaged and keep you connected to us. We miss you. Welcome back from spring break again. It's so good to see and hear from all of you when I do. Call me if you need me. Call your teachers. Call your counselors. Call your assistant principals. Email them is even a better way to get a hold of everybody right now. Just let us know what you need from us, and we will be in touch. Ms. Rivenbark is checking the messages in the front office, so if you can't get a hold of anybody anyway, you can call the main school number, and she will get that message to the appropriate person. So communication is really key. Get in touch with us if you need us. Hope you all have a great day.